These are going to be some of the elevators at the Rideau Center in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Look at this. Got some brand new Otis newer elevators. We're going to call one of them down. Oh. Which floor?
Going up.
P1? Do you remember over here?
We're going up.
P2, I believe.
Going down.
Because it came down one circle around.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Okay then, the doors are shut.
Going down.
She takes direction from C.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Oh my gosh.
Going down. Ground floor. Going down.
Hope we don't stop again.
Parking level 2. Going down.
These are going to be the brand new elevators at the Rideau Center in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada.
Level 3. Going up. Going up.
We're going to go up to 4. I'm guessing these...
Stand clear of the closing door.
The doors are already shut. Can you shut up already?
Four. Floor.
You're on 4?
Going up.
I'm guessing this is actually for Simmons. I don't know.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Okay, now you said it at the right time.
4. Floor. Going down. Please stand clear of the closing door.
William, Seminole elevators, what do you think of these? It's pretty nice. But I filmed way too many of these in Orlando.
Going down. Going down.
Jump.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going down. What floor?
Ground floor.
Yep.
Going down.
Little bit of classic leveling. These are nice, but they're really nothing special to me because I've already filmed a pile of these in my hometown.
Level 3. Going up.
Buttons. Ugh, almost shut. These are newer Otis Series 4 elevators. We're gonna get you, I think. It's a view to the parking deck. Just so slow. They're busy though. Cadillac Fairview Properties Rideau Center. Probably gonna get the other one I had earlier. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, sorry.
Going up.
Actually, I don't know. Actually, I want to.
Going up.
Yeah, we went down.
Ground floor. Going up. Second floor. Going up. Going up.
Going up. Thank you.
Third floor. Going up.
Alright, I'm getting off here. Anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.